Hello, YouTubers. Welcome to my NetSec YouTube channel. This is Johnny. In today's topic, I'm going to talk about how to upgrade Dell EMC server PowerEdge BIOS. I'm having a server running BIOS old version. Recently, I got some notification to say new version 2.4.8 fixed lots of vulnerabilities on the old version. So now I'm going to start to upgrade it. First thing, of course, you need to download this Windows update package for Microsoft Windows 6 4-bit. So basically, you need to download the package first and then log in through your iJack to verify the BIOS. You can see the system details. And you can see the version currently is BIOS version is 1.4.8. There's some vulnerability, urgent vulnerability relating to this version. So we're gonna upgrading them. To upgrading it, we have to RDP into the server. That you should be able to see through the virtual console through this launcher virtual console to see the screen, or you can RDP into it, which we're gonna do that way. Here is our RDP manager. First thing, I'm gonna log into our jump server. From our jump server, we can have another RDP session to our final server, which is our CyberArk appliance, Vault appliance. It is our CyberArk server. We already shut down the service and fail over to our DR server. So since this BIOS upgrading need to reboot our system, so it's best to fail over to your DR side first and then starting this firmware upgrading task. So we download the exe file, extract. Now we don't have to extract, we just do install. So the version of the upgrading package is newer than the current installed version. So it's BIOS. So we're gonna upgrade 2.4.8. Installed version is 1.4.8. Yes. It's gonna take a couple of minutes. Okay, the BIOS image file is successfully loaded. It's gonna ask you to reboot your system. Yes. System gonna be signed out and rebooted. So we're gonna wait a bit until it's rebooting. Then we're gonna pause our recording, and once it comes back, then we will continue. While system is rebooting, we can check our iJack page. iJack page is still accessible. And the version is not changed yet. And also we can look at the virtual console to take a look at what's happening there. As you can see, they are doing the upgrading the firmware, BIOS firmware from 1.4.8 to 2.4.8. BIOS upgrade will take several minutes. Please wait, don't power down the system. It's critical. You need to have redundancy power supply for this device. during this upgrade. Make sure both are working. Anything happen to your power, they will break your system. Looks like upgrading finished. This virtual console shows no signal. Okay, it comes back with the BIOS version 2.4.8. So again, this is a CyberArk Vault appliance, but the hardware is Dell PowerEdge R440. So the BIOS upgrading process is suitable for all PowerEdge server. It's the same process. Find out the BIOS upgrading exe file, run it from the system, Windows system, and then wait it rebooted. The virtual console shows 2.4.8 and the system is rebooting. And let's go back to check our iJack. So our iJack session is still on, and the BIOS version shows 1.4.8. But let's go back to our details. We are refreshing our system. It's not reflecting to here yet. So system is still rebooting. They're loading the system right now. Checking the hardware. Let's maximize the window so we can have clear to see the BIOS version has been upgraded 2.4.8. The iJack IP was 172.23.1.33. So now let's refresh our iJack. Hopefully the version has been changed. No, not yet. Now the BIOS version has been reflected the real version 2.4.8. So let's process how to upgrade the BIOS on Dell PowerEdge server. Thank you for watching.